elections are a spectacle unlike any other. A vibrant celebration of democracy, the world's largest democratic exercise sees millions queuing up to cast their vote. Adding to the drama and suspense are exit polls, the much-anticipated forecasts that try to predict the electorate's mood. As soon as the last vote is cast, news channels come alive with exit poll results, sparking debates and discussions across the nation. Exit polls, essentially post-voting surveys, aim to capture the voting patterns of a representative sample of voters. They provide a glimpse into which way the political wind might be blowing, even before the official results are declared. In a nation as diverse and vast as India, exit polls have emerged as a crucial tool for understanding the complex electoral landscape. However, the million-dollar question remains: how reliable are these exit polls in truly reflecting the voice of India's diverse electorate? Can they accurately capture the intricate tapestry of choices made by millions across different regions, religions, castes, and economic backgrounds? Conducting exit polls in India is a logistical behemoth. It involves a complex methodology of sampling, data collection, and analysis. Agencies deploy teams across thousands of polling booths, carefully selected to represent the demographic distribution of the constituency. Trained surveyors interview voters who have just cast their ballots, recording their choices anonymously. The selection of random representative samples is crucial for the accuracy of exit polls. Factors like gender, age, caste, religion, and economic background are taken into account to ensure a microcosm of the larger electorate. This data is then extrapolated to the entire constituency, using statistical models to predict the overall voting trends. However, the sheer scale and diversity of the Indian electorate pose significant challenges. Reaching remote areas, ensuring participation from all sections of society, and maintaining the anonymity of responses are some of the hurdles faced by polling agencies. India's social fabric is a complex interweaving of religions, castes, languages, and regional identities. This diversity, while a source of strength, presents a unique challenge for exit polls. Ensuring that the chosen sample truly reflects this multifaceted demographic landscape is a daunting task. For instance, accurately capturing the preferences of rural voters, often dispersed across vast geographical areas, requires extensive outreach. Similarly, ensuring adequate representation from marginalized communities who may be hesitant to disclose their voting choices is crucial. The accuracy of exit polls is also influenced by the social desirability bias. Voters might be hesitant to reveal their true voting choices, especially if they voted for a controversial candidate or party. This can skew the results, making it difficult to gauge the actual support for certain candidates. Exit polls in India have a mixed track record when it comes to accuracy. While they have correctly predicted the outcomes of several elections, there have been instances where they have missed the mark, sometimes by significant margins. This inconsistency has led to debates about their reliability as a predictive tool. One of the most prominent examples of exit polls getting it right was the 2014 general election. Most polls accurately predicted the landslide victory of the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, led by Narendra Modi. This cemented the image of exit polls as a reliable indicator of the public mood. However, the 2004 general elections presented a stark contrast. Most exit polls predicted a win for the incumbent BJP-led coalition. Yet, the election results threw a surprise, bringing the Indian National Congress-led alliance to power. This underscored the limitations of exit polls, especially in capturing late swings in voter sentiment. Despite the debate surrounding their accuracy, exit polls have undeniably become an integral part of the Indian election narrative. They generate immense public interest, shaping perceptions about the likely outcome of the elections. The media plays a significant role in amplifying this buzz, often dedicating hours of airtime to analyzing and debating exit poll predictions. The release of exit poll results can influence public discourse, stock markets, and even the strategies of political parties. A favorable prediction can boost the morale of a party and its supporters, while an unfavorable one can lead to introspection and course correction. However, it is crucial to remember that exit polls are not the final verdict. They are merely a snapshot of voter sentiment at a particular point in time. The actual election results, often declared a few days later, might tell a different story altogether. As the nation awaits the final election results, exit polls provide a fertile ground for speculation and debate. They offer a glimpse into the possible outcomes, fueling anticipation and anxiety in equal measure. However, it is imperative to remember that exit polls, despite their scientific methodologies, are not infallible. The true measure of an election lies in the actual votes cast and counted. While exit polls add an element of excitement and anticipation to the electoral process, they should be viewed with a healthy dose of skepticism. The final verdict rests with the people, and their collective voice will determine the future course of the nation. Until then, the nation waits with bated breath for the official results that will reveal the true mandate of the people. The great Indian election spectacle, with its twists and turns, continues to enthrall and engage, reminding us of the power and unpredictability of democracy.